finished looking today at the Chamberlain garage opener. It's a belt drive. Let me see how it sounds. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty. The door squeaks. Now open it back up. It's a pretty nice opener. It's a Chamberlain. Pretty nice opener. As you can see, they have their new garage opener. Kind of looks like it's new. It's a new Chamberlain opener. It's a pretty nice opener. Yeah, it's a pretty nice garage opener. Okay, thanks for letting me record your garage opener.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice opener.
You bring them like twice a year? Or just
So, here's a picture for my dad. I'll shoot.
You have male
I'm not a male pit bull. I just have a girl and then I have a little dog. But yeah, I bred one before. I used to have 2 blue nose pit bulls.
Pretty nice dogs. Yeah, it's a pretty nice outside. It's their Toyota Sienna out there. Okay, it's their 2-story house, and that's my video. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Here is a Chamberlain opener. Hope you enjoyed this video of this Chamberlain garage opener. Maybe it's a Chamberlain whisper drive. Well, maybe. Well, I'll see you later. Bye. Well, I forgot to tell you it's a belt drive. Well, see you later. Bye.